right, so I'm here with
Marc Harter.
Okay, and you're doing a talk today, or no, tomorrow,
Yep.
on Node.js, right?
Yep.
Okay, so me being one that hasn't done anything with Node.js other than hearing people talk about it and rave about it and go, it's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
What is cool about Node.js?
It allows you to do really scalable servers really simply using
Okay.
JavaScript and being involved in an event loop lets you get to the core of that. And so you can really write performance servers really easily, and it's really comfortable for someone who's especially for people who are used to web development for like client-side, browser-side stuff.
Okay.
So, but yeah, just kind of really opened up JavaScript on the server where nothing really has before.
Right.
So,
right. Because exactly, because that's the one place you keep hearing about JavaScript is client-side,
Yep.
scripting, jQuery, all that stuff.
Yep.
But Node.js is, no, it's over there on
Yep.
the server.
Yep.
And that's quite the interesting concept. So
Totally.
how long have you been doing JavaScript development?
let's see. I mean, as a job, it's been like the last, how many years now? I've been 4 years, I want to say. Yeah, 4 years. And mostly client side. And but I've been involved with the web like since it came out. Like when I was in high school, I was thinking around with stuff. But
Okay.
I really got involved in JavaScript when I started working where I am now, and just love it. Love the language.
So what do you, I mean, why do you love it? What's the appeal to JavaScript?
I like that JavaScript. Well, JavaScript was written to be originally was written to be a scheme interpreter. So like Lisp and like I think we did a talk on somebody did a talk on Clojure. So
Yes.
so similar to like that kind of stuff. And so it's really got this mix of scheme Lispy like lingo, but it's also when they tried to ship it, the Netscape said no, we got to make it more C-like because people are used to programming in C. So he wrote all the syntax looks very C-ish, but it's also very scheme-ish. So what's cool is it's kind of a mixture of two, and it's grown up in an event loop-based system all of its life. And so it's just kind of it definitely has warts. It's definitely not perfect, and everybody hates the DOM, which I hate as well. But the core language itself is actually pretty fascinating, and to me. So,
Would you say it's a fair assessment that because of like the 90s and the early 2000s style program with JavaScript, where it's just a bunch of methods and people just hacked on it, that it got a bad rap?
Oh, I bet. Yeah. People have like put like from 90s to like 2000 before Ajax, like from 90s to like Ajax, like JavaScript was like this hated language. Like it just was goofy. You never knew it could do anything cool. That guy doesn't like it. But yeah, it did get a bad rap. Everybody hated the pop-ups. Like, oh, turn my JavaScript off. I hate these pop-ups showing up or whatever. Like, and it's only the essence of it, the beauty of it really wasn't, I don't think, really realized until Ajax and people actually started taking it a little more seriously.
Yeah, the one URL that I remember on a site that we did a ton of JavaScript on it was the one that showed how you could do binding with functions, and then it was just when you got to the end of the article, it was just this beautiful .bind, and it just worked, and it was like, holy crap, that was just awesome.
Yep.
So yeah, I would definitely agree with. After that, that's when it started to be taken much more seriously.
Yeah,
so.
a lot more seriously. And it's got cool. I mean, it's got like eval and Lisp, or eval and apply, which are big Lispy kind of things. So it's just weird. It's just like a mutt for a language. It's just like a bunch of combination of stuff. But I dig it. I love helping people understand the beauty of it because I think it is hard to get past some stuff, and people are like, yeah, I'm just going to use jQuery because I'm not going to mess with whatever else I have to mess with. And jQuery is great, but it's like there's a lot more to it.
Yep.
So.
All right, thanks.
Yeah, thank you.